buddies, welcome back to this channel. This is Neeraja Tosh. Very sorry I wasn't able to upload as my midterms were going on, and this is my first time showing my face on this channel, so... Okay, you woke up and told yourself that you'd be studying the whole day. But instead, you started watching YouTube videos. Well buddies, I got you. So let's keep this video short and crisp and get started. Tip number 3 and 5 are tips that I've not heard anywhere, so be sure to watch till the end. The 5 minutes rule. It says that you have to pick a task and complete it within those 5 minutes. So all you have to do is set an alarm for 5 minutes, choose a page of your notebook or textbook and tell your brain that you have to complete that page within those 5 minutes. You will see that once those 5 minutes are over, the inertia that was holding you back from studying will go away. The reason is your brain will prefer to do tasks in which it gets instant gratification or a rush of dopamine, such as scrolling on Instagram or watching a YouTube video. And if these things are taken away, the dopamine levels will plummet. You can also finish a task such as printing in notes or anything that can be completed in those 5 minutes, because it might happen that due to these petty tasks you are losing your motivation to study. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to like, share and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out any updates. Thank you. Break your tasks. I have my pre-boards in around a month, so let's plan it together. For my pre-boards, I'll have to complete my entire syllabus within this month. So the first thing I would do is I would draw a flow chart of the things that I need to follow in order to accomplish my goal and assign it a date or a number of dates. This will make your task less overwhelming so you won't be scared to start off with your work. Gamify. Turn whatever you're doing into a game. Basically, in this, you have to assign points to whatever work you are doing. For example, you can assign 10 points for reading a chapter from your English textbook and 20 points for any video lecture that you see, as it requires more of your brain power. The more the brain power, the more the points. Now, how to play this game? So you have to complete as many tasks as you can and collect those points. Then reward yourself according to the points. The higher the points, the higher the rewards. For example, if you want to scroll on Instagram or on your phone just normally for 30 minutes, you have to study for 1 hour before that. Determine what you have to do now. In the second tip, I told you how to break your tasks into steps. But what to do when you have a lot of tasks? There are many tasks that are urgent but not important. Say you have to submit your homework the next day, but you also have a class test that day for which you haven't studied at all. You would obviously prefer to study for that test instead of completing that homework. Using the INR matrix, you can determine which task is important and which is not. It has 4 columns: the important column, not important column, urgent and the not urgent column. You can access your task list and determine which task will fall in which of these categories. Dump the task into a piece of paper. Now classify your task into the columns. The task in important and urgent column will have to be finished first. Track your progress. Basically, you have to make streaks. When you have been productive for like 5 to 6 days and you're losing motivation today, you can just look at your calendar or your diary or wherever you have recorded your progress. After your brain will see that you have been productive for 5 to 6 days, it will say that if I don't study today, I'll lose the streak. So, in this way, you can trick your brain to gain motivation or concentration or whatever you want to say, but you will be in the mood to study. How to study when you have procrastinated the whole day. The 4-quarter approach. I have watched a lot of YouTube videos on productivity, but no one talks about this technique. It's called the 4-quarter approach. I discovered this on a very dreadful morning when I had to go to many places and I was overwhelmed because I thought that I won't be able to study that day. It is a very underrated technique but super effective. So divide your day into 4 portions. Say the day starts with the morning quarter, that is 5 a.m. to 9 a.m., followed by the late morning quarter, that is 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., and the afternoon quarter, that is 2 p.m. to 7 p.m., and ends with an evening quarter, that is 7 p.m. onwards. Each person can adjust the quarters based on their sleep-wake cycle. The quarters can shift earlier or later. If you have to go out shopping or meet your friends or family by 11 a.m. till 12 p.m. for lunch, you'll feel that, oh, my whole day is wasted. But if you divide your day into 4 quarters, you'll still have 3 more quarters left. Then you can study or be productive or cleanse your room or do whatsoever you want to do. If you have watched so far, comment down below a face emoji if you want to see more face videos like this.